Imagine a star, a red giant that has been a constant in our night sky, suddenly acting a bit strange. This is the story of Betelgeuse, a celestial body of immense importance in the Orion constellation. For ages, this star has been a beacon, a point of reference for astronomers and stargazers alike. However, recently, Betelgeuse has been exhibiting some unusual behavior that has captured the attention of the scientific community worldwide. Now you might be wondering, what's so intriguing about this star? Well, Betelgeuse has been going through a phase known as the Great Dimming. This has led to significant changes in its brightness oscillation cycle, adding a layer of mystery to this already fascinating star. It's as if our dependable friend in the night sky has started playing a game of celestial hide-and-seek. As expected, these changes have sparked a slew of speculations. The most thrilling among these is the possibility of an imminent supernova explosion. The thought of witnessing such a cosmic event is undoubtedly exciting. But before we get carried away, let's consider what the experts have to say. According to them, despite its recent antics, Betelgeuse is still tens of thousands of years away from going supernova. That's right, tens of thousands. So, it seems we might have to wait a little longer to witness this astronomical spectacle. However, the very fact that such speculations exist highlights the dynamic nature of Betelgeuse. Its unique characteristics, such as its size, proximity, and recent behavior, allow for detailed study and analysis. This, in turn, reveals a complex structure and dynamic behavior that is rare among stars. So even though Betelgeuse is acting a bit out of character, it's not about to blow up anytime soon. But that doesn't make it any less interesting. If anything, it adds to the enigma that is Betelgeuse, making us all the more eager to unravel its mysteries. Betelgeuse is more than just a brilliant point of light in the sky. It's a celestial laboratory. Now, you might be wondering, what makes it so special? Well, its sheer size and proximity to Earth allow astronomers to study it in great detail. Being a red supergiant, it's about 20 times the mass of the Sun and a staggering 1,400 times its size. Its enormity and relative closeness, a mere 650 light-years away, make it an astronomical goldmine. The structure of Betelgeuse is anything but simple. It's an intricate, dynamic entity showing a variety of behaviors. Its luminosity, for instance, oscillates, leading to changes in its brightness. There's also the recent dimming event, which has been attributed to a mass ejection of material creating a dust cloud. These intriguing phenomena offer a peek into the star's dynamic nature. But Betelgeuse isn't alone in the universe. There are other red giants out there, and comparing Betelgeuse to these stars can offer insights into its potential evolution. Do they all dim and brighten like Betelgeuse? Do they all eject material, creating dust clouds? These comparisons could help us understand what the future might hold for this enigmatic star. While we've learned a lot, there are still uncertainties, particularly about what's going on in Betelgeuse's core. It's believed that its core may exhaust its carbon fuel in less than 300 years, which could lead to a supernova explosion. But, like much in astronomy, this is a hypothesis based on our current understanding of stellar evolution and is subject to change as we learn more. Betelgeuse may be keeping some secrets, but its unique characteristics also make it a fascinating subject of study. So, while we continue to unravel the mysteries of Betelgeuse, one thing is certain: its story is far from over, and its next chapters are sure to keep us on the edge of our cosmic seats. There's been a lot of chatter about Betelgeuse going supernova, but what does that really mean? Let's break it down. A supernova, in the simplest terms, is a powerful and bright explosion of a star. This usually happens when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, leading to a catastrophic collapse followed by a powerful blast. Picture it like a celestial firework display on a grand scale, only a lot more complex and destructive. Recently, Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in the Orion constellation, has been acting a bit peculiar. It's been dimming, and this dimming led to speculations about a potential supernova explosion. You see, In the cosmic theater, a star dimming can be a precursor to it going supernova. But is Betelgeuse about to put on this dramatic display? Well, not exactly. Recent observations suggest that Betelgeuse's core may exhaust its carbon fuel in less than 300 years, potentially leading to a supernova. Yes, in cosmic terms, 300 years is akin to a blink of an eye. But for us Earthlings, that's quite a bit into the future. However, before anyone starts panicking about the prospect of a nearby supernova, it's important to remember that Betelgeuse is beyond the 50 light-year supernova danger zone. This means that even if it does explode, it poses no immediate threat to our planet. We're safe, and we get a front-row seat to one of the universe's most spectacular phenomena, albeit a few centuries down the line. So, while Betelgeuse will eventually go supernova, it doesn't mean we should start worrying just yet. So, what have we learned about this intriguing star? We've delved into the peculiarities of Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, and its recent unusual behavior. This star, 20 times the mass of our Sun and 1,400 times its size, has been fluctuating in brightness, causing a stir among stargazers and scientists alike. We've also touched upon the unique characteristics of Betelgeuse that make it a subject of detailed study. Its size, proximity, and complex structure provide a fascinating peek into the dynamic behavior and evolution of red giants. Of course, we've explored the speculation of an impending supernova explosion. While this celestial event is a captivating thought, experts reassure us that it's likely tens of thousands of years in the future. Despite Betelgeuse's core possibly exhausting its carbon fuel in less than 300 years, it's still comfortably outside the 50 light-year supernova danger zone. Betelgeuse continues to be a celestial enigma, a red giant that keeps us looking up and wondering what's next.